their guarantee in the future is that we will beat whatever the market, the lowest rate on the market is, we will beat that. In addition to the backup energy. So, I think it's important that people know that they're not doing this out of the goodness of their heart. They're doing it because it's in their financial interest. It just happens that it's in your financial interest too. So sometimes it's not a zero-sum game. Sometimes it could be beneficial for all parties involved. And again, you need to have substantial usage. So most folks in this room probably wouldn't be able to qualify for that. At least as it is now, as the product rolls out and they start seeing results, maybe they'll change some things to make it more open to more people.
The install for those batteries, is that complex?
Pardon?
Is the install, have you seen a video on the install?
No, I have not. I've sold customers many batteries, and I've seen them installed. So it does change. It's more substantial than adding solar. Typically, if you could do a solar install in one day, if you have a battery, it generally makes it a 3-day install. So it's more complex than solar.
Has the cost of the battery walls come down?
I haven't checked the Tesla yet.
Like they're always more expensive.
No, they tend to be more cost effective than others. Yeah, like if you compare it to say a Franklin, it's less expensive, especially if you're doing it with solar, because Tesla is what they call a DC coupled device. You already have microinverters, so Tesla I wouldn't say is the best battery for you because you already have inverters. The real value of Tesla is that it has an internal inverter, so it can do the inversion, therefore eliminating the need for microinverters, thus lowering the cost of the project.